When a woman hurts you, your first instinct might be to argue, explain, or even try to win her back. But the Stoic way is different. You don't punish her with anger. You punish her with growth, discipline, and silence. Here are 10 powerful ways to make her instantly regret losing you. 1. Build a life she can't touch. The best revenge isn't revenge. It's creating a life so strong, so independent, and so full that she has no access to it anymore. When your life is untouchable, she'll realize she lost a man who doesn't need her to thrive. 2. Level up physically. Transform your body. Hit the gym, sharpen your style, and carry yourself with strength. She expected you to be broken, but when she sees you healthier, sharper, and more confident, regret hits harder than any words could. 3. Cut off all access. Delete her number. Block her on social media. Stop watching her stories. She can't regret losing you if she still has access to you. When you disappear, she'll feel the weight of your absence. 4. Don't explain yourself. A Stoic never begs for closure. Don't waste time explaining why you walked away or what you feel. Leave her with questions, not answers. That mystery will linger longer than any explanation. 5. Emotional control. Never let her see you broken, desperate, or angry. Your calmness after betrayal will haunt her. She wanted a reaction, but when you give her silence and composure, she realizes she had no power over you. 6. Focus on yourself. Redirect all the energy you would have wasted on her into yourself. Work on your business, career, and passions. When you become consumed with your own growth, she becomes irrelevant, and that's when regret sets in. 7. Treat her like a stranger. Polite, distant, and completely detached. When you treat her as if she never held power in your life, it forces her to confront the reality. She's just like everyone else now. 8. Upgrade your circle. Surround yourself with better people, new connections, and high-value friends. The more your environment grows, the more obvious it becomes that she no longer belongs in your world. 9. Win in silence. Don't announce your moves. Don't post for attention. Just improve. Let her hear about your success from whispers, not from you. Silence makes victory feel heavier. 10. Never chase again. The final rule: once she hurts you, she loses the privilege of being chased. Your value is too high to run after anyone. The moment you stop chasing, she starts regretting. Conclusion. Remember, women regret losing men who master themselves, not men who beg for attention. The more you build, the more you rise, the more she'll regret ever letting you go. But here's the real secret: there's one mindset shift that makes heartbreak powerless over you forever. I'll reveal it in my next video. Stay strong, stay stoic.